In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your reading experience on Google Chrome by using its simple yet powerful reading mode feature. If you love reading online articles, blogs, or news pieces, but often find yourself distracted by cluttered web pages filled with ads, pop-ups, or unnecessary widgets, then this tutorial is perfect for you. I'll guide you through a straightforward way to transform your reading into a much more pleasant and focused activity. To begin, ensure that you have Google Chrome open on your computer. If it's not already set as your default browser, navigate to it now. Once you've opened Chrome, your next step is to visit a web page that contains the text you wish to read. This might be an interesting news article or a thought-provoking blog post that caught your attention. The goal here is to find a page with the content you are eager to dive into, but might currently be difficult to read due to online distractions. With the web page loaded, the magic begins with a simple click. Use your mouse to right-click anywhere on the page. This action will bring up a context menu filled with various options. Among these options, look for one that says Open in Reading Mode. This feature is designed specifically to strip away the clutter and present your article in a clean, easy-to-read format. When you click Open in Reading Mode, notice how the page transforms. It will open in a side panel, presenting you with a pared-down version of the text. What makes reading mode so beneficial is its capability to remove elements that often break your concentration, such as sidebars, decorative images, and other web page elements that are not essential to the content's narrative. This way, you can stay focused solely on the text. The side panel approach is also quite smart. By shrinking distractions to the background, you can concentrate fully on what you want to read while still keeping the original page handy should you need it for reference. For those who often get sidetracked by ads or irrelevant links in the course of their online reading, this functionality can significantly improve your experience by enabling you to delve deeper into your material without interruptions. The experience becomes similar to reading a physical book or document where your sole focus is on the written word. By following these simple steps, you can customize your reading environment to suit your needs and maximize your productivity. So the next time you find yourself on a web page ready for a deep read, don't forget to use this handy feature. It's a small tip, but one that could transform the way you consume information on the web. Enjoy your reading and happy browsing. And